So here we are back at the Canoe Freewill Cemetery, working on some grave restoration. And we're really not sure who is buried in this grave. You can't read the inscription. We're going to see if we can clean it up and get a sense of who might be here. It looks like a child's grave. So this headstone cleaner says to put it on for 60 seconds. Let it work its magic. Sit for 60 seconds. And scrub it. It says rub it with a cloth. It doesn't seem to work very well. With the brush and scrubbing, it seems to work really good. The cemetery was founded in the late 1890s. A church grew up here, partially to the efforts of W.H. Peebles, who took up collection to the newspapers to raise money to build a church. Among the pastors was George Little, Reverend George Little, Peebles, Ray, and several others. In 1906, there was a huge Freewill Baptist meeting here. At least 50 ministers and delegates all met at the little church that was built here. The church flourished into the probably mid-1920s, and you quit hearing any mention of it in local newspapers. It was I guess the greatest legacy of the church was the cemetery that was left behind. And we're trying to go through and clean some of the older graves that may need it the most, and try to do biographies on the people that are buried here. Clara Ethel just cannot read the last name. Looks like Clara Ethel, daughter of L.W. J.W. J.E. Lowry, July 29th, 1902.